Hello everyone, welcome to the TTP YouTube channel. Miley Cyrus, who is a famous pop star and actress, must have been ready for a party after selling her Franklin, Tennessee home for $14.5 million. The website Dirt reported the news. The former Hannah Montana star purchased a Nashville area ranch for $5.8 million in 2017, slightly below the asking price of $5.9 million. If you want more of this content, subscribe to the TTP YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. 5 years followed and Cyrus has more than doubled her outlay. With the property getting renovated and Cyrus throwing in some extra funds to make improvements, she still managed to earn a considerable fortune. The interior of this mansion is unknown, but she likely made changes while living there. The singer just sold her massive Franklin ranch for $14.5 million, but the paperwork has finally confirmed it was never on the market. The land registry documents have provided evidence of the sale. It likely cost her quite a bit to renovate, but from aerial views, the property and its structures look just like they did when she originally bought them. There is still a 7,000 square foot main house and a smaller barn-style building that could be used for either recording studio or guest house accommodation. Records show that the $14.5 million sale price is the second highest this year, and $18 million, which Reese Witherspoon paid for, was the highest purchase price for a home in Nashville so far this year. Records also reveal that the buyer is a Minneapolis native who is now a franchisee of Dairy Queens worldwide, with more than 200 DQ stores under his 14 Foods umbrella. Located about 20 miles south of Nashville and set in semi-privacy, the Franklin apartment complex is fully gated. The main house is circa 2014 with 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 powder rooms. In addition to a covered porch area, reclaimed wood flooring, a kitchen with premium Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, a rooftop deck, and a main floor master suite with a fireplace and soaking tub. Features include exposed wood beams, multiple fireplaces, plenty of shiplap, and vaulted ceilings. The guest suite has a clawfoot tub, fireplace, and a practical bonus room that could be turned into a home theater, gym, or creative studio. Located on 33 acres of land, the home has a screened-in porch, pool, putting green, horse barn, and garage. Photos show the property before Cyrus' purchase, which has a house with a games room, lounge area back then. Further out is the screen-in porch, and the backyard has a fireplace and lots of space for the pool and putting green. Cyrus has been on a massive buying spree. Over the past year, she unloaded her home and design featured Hidden Hills for $7.2 million, and in 2020, she sold a secluded Malibu home to songwriter Matthew Wilder. The Lux Toluca Lake property that used to be Cyrus is now occupied by oil heir Nat Getty and his wife, YouTuber Gigi Gorgeous, while her Studio City property here remains worth $4 million. Cyrus quickly sold her Hidden Hills mansion in 2021, less than a year after she purchased it. The home flipper bought a 6-bedroom abode in June 2020 just under $5 million with an off-market deal. The chart-topping musician made a profit by selling the place to a buyer for $7.22 million. The colorful interior designs were featured in Architectural Digest. Cyrus lives on the West Coast in a beautifully remodeled mid-century modern home that she bought for $3.9 million in 2011. The redesigned 7,000 square foot home has gallery windows, a pool, and outdoor spaces. The 29-year-old singer and songwriter began her career as a teenager. Her most recent success includes Wrecking Ball, Party in the USA, and Malibu. She is also a coach on the television show The Voice. Miley Cyrus is a young American actress and singer. She gained worldwide fame with her raspy voice. Miley has released 13 entries on the US Billboard 200 Top 5 list, the most by any female artist in the 21st century. Cyrus, daughter of the country music singer Billy Ray Cyrus, emerged as a teen idol on the TV show Hannah Montana. As Hannah Montana, she attained 2 number 1 and 3 top 5 soundtracks on the US Billboard 200, including He Could Be the One. One of her discography, Cyrus albums include Meet Miley Cyrus, Breakout, Bangers, Can't Be Tamed, Younger Now, Plastic Hearts, and Miley Cyrus and Her Dead Pets. In 2019, the Recording Industry Association of America awarded Diamond certification to Party in the USA. Cyrus has been selected by Time as one of the 100 most influential people in America in 2008 and 2014. She was given the MTV Best Artist of 2013 award and was ranked third on Billboard's Greatest of All Time Artists list in 2019. She has made appearances in the animated film Bolt and other feature films such as Hannah Montana the Movie and The Last Song. In late 2014, she founded the nonprofit Happy Hippie Foundation, focusing on youth homelessness and the LGBT community. Miley Joy Cyrus was born November 23, 1992, in Franklin, Tennessee. Part of her last name honors her grandfather, Democratic politician Ron Cyrus, who was from Kentucky. Miley's godmother is the sing-songwriter Dolly Parton. Her parents married on December 28, 1993, when she was just a year old. They had 2 more children, a son, Brayson, and daughter, Noah. While she has 6 siblings from previous relationships, both her mothers have 3 children between them. Her father's first child was born in April 1992. When looking at the career of Cyrus' maternal siblings, we can find musicians and actors. Trace is a vocalist and guitarist for the electronic pop band Metro Station. Noah is an actress and, along with Brayson, models, sings, and is a songwriter. Brandy was formerly a musician for the indie rock band Frank plus Daryl and is a professional DJ. The Cyrus farmhouse is located on 500 acres of land outside Nashville. Miley was raised in Williamson County, Tennessee, before moving to Los Angeles when she began filming Hannah Montana. She attended options for youth charter schools in LA and took private acting lessons on set. She was baptized as a Southern Baptist after her family relocated in Toronto in 2001. Cyrus also attended church regularly as a youth and wore a purity ring. Cyrus' first acting role was as Kylie in her father's television series Doc. In 2003, she received credit under her birth name for her role as young Ruthie in Tim Burton's film Big Fish. During this period, she auditioned with Taylor Lautner for the feature film The Adventures of Shark Boy and Lava Girl in 3D. Although she was one of the 2 finalists for the role, she chose to appear in Hannah Montana instead. Her mother started the role of an agent and worked on building a team to help nurture Miley's career. Cyrus then signed with Mitchell Gossett at Cunningham mascot Slevin Doherty, who played a key role in her auditions for Hannah Montana. Cyrus then joined force with Jason Morey and Morey Management Group to handle the music side of things, and Dolly Parton helped guide her there. Cyrus then hired her father's finance manager into the team as well. Cyrus was 13 years old when she auditioned for the show Hannah Montana, which premiered in March 2006. She was called to audition and gave a demo tape of her singing to producers of the show. Despite being denied the role initially because she was too small and too young, she landed it after they found out that she had singing skills and acting abilities. The show was an instant success, with over 10 million viewers tuning in to watch the premiere episode on basic cable. It quickly became one of the most successful Disney Channel television shows ever and ranked among the highest-rated series on cable TV. With its success, Cyrus became an American teen idol and toured with the Cheetah Girls before releasing her first official album in October 2006. Cyrus signed a 4-album deal with Hollywood Records to distribute her non-Hannah Montana soundtrack music. She released the 2-disc album Hannah Montana 2 Meet Miley Cyrus in June 2007. The first disc was credited as the second soundtrack by Hannah Montana, while the second disc served as Cyrus' debut studio album. The album became her second to reach the top of the Billboard 200 and has sold over 3 million copies since its release. Months after the release of the project, See You Again was released as the lead single from the album. The song was a commercial success and has sold over 2 million copies in redefined sales since its release. She collaborated with her father on the single Ready, Set, Don't Go. Next, Cyrus embarked on her highly successful Best of Both Worlds tour to promote its release. Ticketmaster officials commented that there hadn't been a demand of this level or intensity since the Beatles or Elvis. The tour success led to the theatrical release of the 3D concert film Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus Best of Both Worlds concert. Miley and Mandy began uploading videos to YouTube on February 2008, referring to these clips as the Miley and Mandy Show. The videos amassed an online following of over 9 million subscribers. In April 2008, pictures of Cyrus in her underwear and a swimsuit were leaked online by a hacker who had obtained access to her Gmail account. Further controversy erupted when it was revealed that although 15-year-old Cyrus had posed for Annie Leibovitz during a photo shoot for Vanity Fair, she was not bare-breasted. After she made comments revealing that she had been wrapped in a bedsheet during the photo shoot and denied claims that she was topless, the New York Times cast doubt on those reports and clarified that there is no evidence that Cyrus posing with only a towel on left the impression she was naked. Cyrus released her second album, Breakout, in June of that year. The album earned her highest first-week sales of her career so far and became her third to top the Billboard 200. In the late 2000s, Miley Cyrus had a breakthrough with her songs The Climb and Party in the USA. Along with the fourth album in the Billboard 200 charts, she went on to have 4 #1 albums in 2009 as well as a world tour. Cyrus was the target of controversy when a December 2010 video showing her smoking salvia with a bong went viral. The following year, Cyrus was ranked number 13 on Forbes Celebrity 100 list, after making some controversial decisions and embarking on a world tour in 2011. Cyrus parted ways with Hollywood Records as she felt obligated to fulfill her obligations as Hannah Montana ended. As she envisions launching her acting career, Cyrus decided to take an indefinite hiatus from music so she can focus on that endeavor. In 2012, Cyrus released a YouTube series of live performances and finally completed her fourth album just before the release. After 12 years of hiatus, Cyrus teamed up with Rock Mafia on their song and music video Morning Sun, which was made available for free download online. After this collaboration, Cyrus brought her vocals to Borgore's song Decisions. Both Cyrus and Hemsworth appeared in the song's music video. The singer guest starred as Missy in 2 episodes of the CBS sitcom 2.5 Men in 2012. Facing criticism, Cyrus cut off her long brown hair by shaving it into a pixie cut. With the new haircut came an influx of positive attention from media outlets. That year, Cyrus hired her manager Larry Rudolph, who represented Britney Spears. It was later confirmed that Cyrus had signed with RCA Records and would be releasing a hip-hop influenced album in the future, with new producers including Pharrell Williams and Mike Will Made It. Cyrus appeared in singles Ashtrays and Heartbreaks, Fall Down and 23, co-produced by will.i.am and Wiz Khalifa. Together, the two released their first official collaboration to date, but it never made it to radio stations. On October 2, 2015, MTV aired the documentary Miley the Movement. The episode chronicled all aspects of Cyrus' fourth studio album, Bangers, and premiered right after the release of the new album on October 4. On October 5, 2013, she hosted SNL for the second time. At the end of 2013, she was declared Artist of the Year by MTV. On January 29, 2014, she played an acoustic concert in front of 254 people on MTV Unplugged and performed songs from Bangers. This became the highest-rated MTV Unplugged show in 10 years, streaming 25,000 times. She also got featured in the Marc Jacobs Spring 2014 campaign, along with Natalie Westling and Esmeralda Shea Reynolds. On November 5, 2014, Cyrus starred in a music video for rapper Future Song's Real and True. With Mr. Hudson to promote his album, Evil, all tracks were produced by Farnsworth Bentley. She announced her third world tour entitled Bangers Tour, which was critically reviewed by most contemporary artists. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you on the next one.